5 Book to improve business analyst knowledge, skills, and be more effective in the BA role. As a business analyst, reading books is an excellent way to gain knowledge and insights that can help you improve your skills and advance your career. Here are 5 books that I recommend for business analysts. Number 1. Business Analysis Techniques, 99 Essential Tools for Success by James Cadle, Debra Paul, and Paul Turner. This book is a comprehensive guide to the most commonly used business analysis techniques. It covers a wide range of topics, from brainstorming and mind mapping to process modeling and data analysis. Number 2. User Stories Applied, for Agile Software Development, by Mike Cohn. This book focuses on the user stories technique, which is widely used in Agile software development. It provides practical guidance on how to create effective user stories that capture user needs and drive software development. Number 3. The Lean Startup, How Today's Entrepreneurs Use Continuous Innovation to Create Radically Successful Businesses, by Eric Ries. This book is a must-read for anyone working in a startup or entrepreneurial environment. It introduces the concept of the lean startup and provides practical guidance on how to apply lean principles to create successful businesses. Number 4. Crucial Conversations, Tools for Talking When Stakes Are High, by Carrie Patterson, Joseph Grenny, Ron McMillan, and Al Switzler. This book is a guide to having difficult conversations in the workplace. It provides practical techniques for handling sensitive topics and resolving conflicts in a constructive manner. Number 5. Thinking, Fast and Slow, by Daniel Kahneman. This book is not specific to business analysis, but it is an essential read for anyone interested in cognitive psychology and decision-making. It explores the 2 different modes of thinking, intuitive and deliberate, and how they influence our decision-making processes. These books cover a range of topics, from business analysis techniques and agile development to entrepreneurship and psychology. Reading these books can help business analysts expand their knowledge, improve their skills, and become more effective in their roles. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.